Are you guys tired of hearing that sound when you fire up your Mini? This little, you got a bulb out, and you look at all your bulbs and you can't figure out where it's at. Turn signals, brake lights, parking lights, side marker lights, everything works. 9 times out of 10, it's the reverse light housing. So we'll show you how corroded they get over time and how easy it is to replace them. Okay, so we're just underneath the back of the car. This is all exposed. You don't need to remove anything to access it. You just push down on a clip here and a clip here, and this little housing, the bulb housing, will come right out, okay? And then you can simply unplug the connector by pushing down on the top. So we'll unplug the connector, get a little sand in the face, and let's show you outside the car what it looks like. As you can see, this is what happens. These things get full of water because the rubber seal, the little foam seal, goes bad, and then both of your bulb sockets are no longer, I mean, how is that gonna make a connection, right? These are brand new bulbs. We put them in and realize, oh, wait a minute, we don't have a bulb problem, we have a socket problem. So we got our brand new piece from BMW Mini, and it's a quick, easy fix. Like I said, we already have brand new bulbs, so we don't need to replace those. But if you want to replace your bulbs while you're in there, that's a good idea. So plug your bulbs in, and then we can go back in and pop in the left side. Okay, before we plug in our new connector, I just realized we got a little corrosion, so I'm gonna just take some electrical cleaner and spray that. Okay, and then we'll put a little dielectric grease in the connector, so that way we get protection, down the road. Okay, comes out of the bottle pretty fast there. Okay, and go ahead and get your new one back up there. Okay, and then go ahead and get it into position, and all you got to do is just clip it in the top and the bottom. Okay. Oh yeah, see, now the rubber actually is tight. So you got to press on it pretty firmly. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got good reverse here, we got good reverse here, and no more warning in the dash. So hopefully that helps you with a quick little repair on your Mini Cooper, on those reverse lights, and that annoying bulb warning on the dash. So catch you guys on the next one.